Everyone, welcome you all to Banking Fluent NK. So in this video I'm going to share a review about Quanta book, that is by Ashish Arora sir. So I will share all the details in this video, then you will be able to decide whether you should buy this book or not. Okay, so first of all, this book is useful for all the competitive exams that includes quantitative aptitude. Okay, and then so we usually divide quants into three sections. First is speed maths, that includes simplification, approximation, number series, quadratic equation. Second part is your arithmetic part, and third is your data interpretation. So you have to purchase books for these three sections separately. But in this book, what will you see? All these three parts is included in this. All the three parts are included in this book. Okay, so as you can see, simplification, number system, okay, quadratic equation, approximation, everything is included, and then arithmetic is also included, and data interpretation and data sufficiency is also included. And the one thing that is unique in this book is quantity based and data sufficiency based questions. You will see level 1, level 2, level 3 questions in all the books, but you won't see quantity based and data sufficiency question in other books. So that is included in this book, and that is the best feature of this book. Okay, and if I talk about solutions, then some solutions are based on X, that is our basic concept, but some solutions are based on the surge approach, tricky approach. So that is also the best part of this book. And as you can see here, wait, so data sufficiency, data interpretation, level 1, level 2, level 3 is also included in this part. Okay, so as you can see, data interpretation, so these are level 1 questions, as you can see. Okay, and then there are level 2 questions, and there is level 3 questions, and such questions came into mains. So this is pre plus mains package. Actually, you can prepare your pre plus mains by using this book, and this is the best decision if you want to buy this book, and I will provide the link in the description. And if you want to purchase this book, go and purchase this book. Okay, and one thing about this book is you will receive a coupon card or discount card like this, and you have to scratch this card, and if you will scan this card, you will receive 1000 plus objective questions online to solve. Okay, so that is also the best thing, and this is free of cost. Okay, so this is all about this video, friends. Thank you so much.